Hi kids, how are you all? Today we will share you how to draw a pictures using alphabets. So let's fun with alphabets. Alphabet F. Now we are going to draw a Indian flag. Are you ready? It is very simple art. First we should write alphabet F. The national flag of India is a symbol of freedom and unity of the country. It has three colors. The topmost color is saffron, white is in the middle, and lowermost is green. So, we must always respect and honor our national flag. Right, children?
For more interesting videos, please subscribe our channel.
If you like this video, do like, comment and share.